Have you seen grocery prices lately? It feels like every time you step into the store, the numbers on those price tags just keep climbing higher and higher. Even the basics are starting to feel like luxury items. You walk in for bread and milk, and your wallet's 50 bucks lighter before you know it. It's almost like you need a game plan just to make it through the checkout line without breaking the bank. It's a kitchen crisis. Feeding your family shouldn't break the bank. No one should have to stress about putting a decent meal on the table, especially when times get tough or prices spike unexpectedly. But what if you could fight back? I'm talking about prepping. No bunkers, no doomsday scenarios, just smart, affordable meals ready for anything life throws your way. Prepping isn't just for emergencies. It's about being prepared for everyday surprises. When life throws a curveball, you're cool and collected because you've got a plan. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your pantry is stocked and you're ready for whatever comes next. Job loss, bad weather, or just a busy week. We're turning your pantry into a treasure chest of flavor, not just for emergencies, but for any night you need a quick, tasty meal. With the right ingredients, you can whip up something delicious in minutes, no matter what's going on outside. Forget bland food. Let's build a food supply with personality and pizzazz. Your meals can be exciting, colorful, and full of flavor, even if they're made from shelf-stable basics. We're heading to the dollar store to show you how to turn simple, shelf-stable ingredients into gourmet masterpieces. You don't need fancy ingredients or a big budget to eat well, just a little creativity and some smart shopping. This is prepping on a dime, taking control of your food, your finances, and your future. Every can, every box, every dollar saved adds up to more security and less stress for you and your family. Get ready to stock up, save big, and cook up a storm. With a little planning and some savvy shopping, you'll be amazed at what you can create and how much you can save right from your own kitchen. Prepping isn't just for doomsday, it's smart for real life. Ever had a surprise bill or a snowstorm keep you from the store? That's when prepping shines. It's like an insurance policy for your pantry. No panic, just options. With a well-stocked pantry, you can whip up a meal without a last-minute grocery run. Everyday prepping is for everyone. Families, students, anyone who wants security and less stress. It's about being self-reliant and resourceful. Forget the stereotypes. Prepping is cool. A prepper is just someone who thinks ahead and has their act together. It's the ultimate life hack for a crazy world. You're not just stocking cans, you're stocking peace of mind. When you can cook a killer meal from your pantry, you'll feel like a rock star. Prepping isn't about doomsday, it's for real-life emergencies. Lost a job or had hours cut? A stocked pantry is your buffer. Natural events, storms, hurricanes, can empty store shelves fast. Prepping means you can ride it out at home. If you get sick and can't leave the house, you're covered. No need for expensive delivery. Your pantry becomes your personal 24/7 convenience store. This isn't about building a bunker, it's about building resilience. Life throws curveballs, but a well-stocked pantry smooths out the ride. It's a simple, powerful way to make your life more secure and less stressful. Prepping is for real people with real challenges. It's the smartest move you can make for your household. Let's talk strategy. Your secret weapon is the dollar store. Everything's a dollar, so you can build a pantry without breaking the bank. Start small. Grab a few cans or bags of pasta each week. It adds up fast. No need to spend hundreds at once. Build your stash piece by piece. Worried about quality? You'll find name brands and solid store brands on the shelves. Stock up on canned veggies, beans, pasta, rice, sauces, and spices, the building blocks of 1,000 meals. Shop smart, check expiration dates, and avoid dented cans. The deals are unbeatable, and you're outsmarting the system. While others pay top dollar, you're building a delicious, affordable food supply. The dollar store is your secret weapon for flavor and financial freedom. This is guerrilla grocery shopping and you're in command. Let's get prepping. You're in the dollar store? What do you grab? Here's your all-star lineup for building a budget-friendly, versatile pantry that can handle anything life throws your way. Carbs. Start by loading up on pasta and rice, and don't forget instant mashed potatoes. These staples are versatile, filling, and have a long shelf life, making them perfect for quick dinners or hearty lunches. For protein, grab canned beans, tuna, chicken, and salmon. Add dried lentils to your cart. They're packed with nutrition, cook quickly, and are ready to go whenever you need a protein boost. Flavor is key, so stock up on garlic powder, onion powder, and oregano to add depth to your meals. Don't overlook basil, chili powder, bouillon cubes, and canned tomatoes. These can transform basic ingredients into delicious, comforting dishes. Sauces are a must. Pick up salsa, mustard, hot sauce, and soy sauce. These add instant flavor and variety to your meals. For extras, grab canned veggies, vegetable oil, shelf-stable milk, and snacks like crackers, peanut butter, and granola bars to round out your pantry. These basics are the backbone of countless meals, letting you whip up everything from quick breakfasts to hearty dinners. With this list, your pantry will be ready for anything: emergencies, busy nights, or unexpected guests. You'll always have the ingredients for quick, tasty, and affordable dishes, no matter what's on your schedule. No more last-minute store runs or expensive takeout, just simple, home-cooked meals at your fingertips. This shopping list is your roadmap to food security and peace of mind, helping you stay prepared and save money. Stock up, mix and match, and get creative with your meals. The possibilities are endless when your pantry is well stocked. Your pantry is about to be locked, loaded, and absolutely full of flavor, ready for whatever comes next. Let's cook. First up, righteous red bean chili, a hearty, easy one-pot wonder. Grab 2 cans of red kidney beans, 1 can diced tomatoes, 1 can tomato sauce, chili seasoning, or chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, and corn chips. Open the cans. Don't drain the beans. Dump everything into a pot and stir. Sprinkle in your chili seasoning. Start with a tablespoon of chili powder, a teaspoon each of cumin and garlic powder. Simmer for 15-20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Taste and adjust seasoning if needed. Once thick and flavorful, ladle into bowls. Top with crushed corn chips for crunch. This meal costs just a few bucks and tastes like a million. That's smart prepping. Delicious, affordable, and filling. Enjoy your new go-to chili. Next up, killer creamy tuna pasta, the ultimate comfort food. You'll need 1 box of pasta, 2 cans of tuna in oil, don't drain, 1 can cream of mushroom or chicken soup, 1 can green peas, garlic powder, and black pepper. Boil pasta. While it cooks, heat the cream soup in a skillet, no water. Add tuna with oil, garlic powder, and black pepper. Stir over low heat. Drain peas and add to the sauce. Drain pasta, don't rinse. Then toss with the creamy tuna sauce. Mix until every piece is coated. Serve hot for a stick-to-your-ribs meal. Fast, cheap, and totally tasty. This is weeknight dinner made easy. Enjoy your creamy, savory pasta. Who says you can't have burger night with pantry staples? Try bodacious black bean burgers. You'll need 1 can black beans, ½ cup instant mashed potato flakes, or breadcrumbs, tablespoon salsa teaspoon, each chili powder and garlic powder buns and condiments. Drain and rinse beans, then mash in a bowl. Leave some texture. Add potato flakes, salsa, and spices. Mix until thick and moldable. Shape into patties. Heat oil in a skillet over medium. Cook patties 4 to 5 minutes per side until crispy. Flip gently. They're delicate. Serve on buns with mustard or hot sauce. These burgers are flavorful, filling, and budget-friendly. You won't miss the meat. Enjoy your new favorite burger night. There you have it. 3 dynamite meals, all from dollar store finds. With just a few dollars and a little creativity, you can whip up hearty, delicious dishes that keep you full and satisfied. Chili, pasta, burgers, proof you don't need a fat wallet to eat well or be prepared. These meals show that anyone can start building food security, no matter their budget or experience in the kitchen. Building food security is simple and affordable. Start today. Every small step you take adds up, and before you know it, you'll have a pantry that's ready for anything. Next time you have a few extra bucks, grab some beans, rice, and tomatoes. These staples are versatile, filling, and last a long time on your shelves. That's your first step to a stocked pantry. Even one can make a difference, and it's the beginning of your journey toward food security. Each trip, add a little more. You'll build a stash you can be proud of. Over weeks and months, those small purchases turn into a real safety net for you and your loved ones. This is about more than food. It's peace of mind. Knowing you have meals ready brings comfort and confidence no matter what life throws your way. You're ready for rough weeks or storms. Your family will be fed and safe. Emergencies happen, but you'll be prepared to handle them with calm and assurance. That feeling is priceless, and you can build it $1 at a time. Every single purchase is an investment in your family's well-being and security. Take control, be the chef, provider, and planner. You're not just buying food, you're building skills and confidence with every meal you make. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start now. Start small. Every journey begins with a single step, and your future self will thank you for starting today. Practice these recipes, get creative, and save money. Experiment with flavors, try new combinations, and discover how much you can do with just a few ingredients. Join the Flavortown Prepper Revolution. Stock up and cook on. Share your journey with friends and family, and inspire others to take charge of their food security too. You've got this. It's gonna be money. Remember, every dollar you spend is a step toward a safer, more secure future for you and your loved ones.